Good day, my friend. Today I want to show you how simple it is to make a squeezy page in LeadsLeap. Just go to Page Builder, Page Manager, and add a new page campaign. Enter the name. Alright. Now, sorry for that. Now go to add a new page. Decide to start. Add a blank and launch enter. From there, you can select blank page if you want to start from zero, or you can select one of the templates and tweak it a little bit. Let's say I like queen design, so maybe you start with this girl because she's looking very lovely. Alright, so with my pre-course, so if you want to change text, you can simply drag it like this. You can click on it and drag it to move it, and you can go here and say get my awesome navigation strategy strategy on anyway. Just a little bit like that, something different. You, I will show you next video what you should be, what a few tips that I picked up during the years that allowed me to make better ads that people respond. Because once you add certain words like topic exchange in your ad copy, uh, that means your untargeted traffic that people are serving for just for the credits. If you add topic exchange, they will target people that use topic exchanges. That I hope that makes sense, because people are not looking for your site at all. But if you pop, if they notice something that will catch their eye, what they are already doing, that will allow you to have better results. So topic exchange, let's see, you can take this word topic exchange, make it pop out a little bit. So let's add a little bit topic exchange, and not put it in quotation marks because once you put words in quotation marks, it gives you better conversion rates. And nobody knows why, but it's just it works since 1990s. Okay, so topic exchange. Let's put it in the color. I like red and blue is the best colors for conversion. You can also experiment on your own, but you'll come back to the same conclusion that red and blue is the best. Okay, so let's make it bold. Let's change the font. Let's put it as Roboto, for example. It's already Roboto. No need to. Okay. Get my awesome JavaScript strategy that is proven to work for anyone. Okay. And then you can change text around here. You can I'll show you how to add text, for example. Let's say you want to add the text element, you can put it here. This helped me. I just put something like that. I'm not paying attention what I'm writing. I'm just writing on top of my head as fast as possible to get a message across. Okay, so that's how you add text. You can change the color of it. You can change to like this and black. This one as well. Let's try this change like that. Okay, it's beautiful. Now to image, as you can see, the image URL is here. What I recommend you to do is cost your own images. And let's go to Google and find 1050 URL. Let's go to images. Let's just there's a lot of images to choose from. Let's just pick here. Let's just save image. girls. Okay, let's go here. I'll use Imgur for uploading my images. Just go to post, choose. Let's go to where did I put this? I don't think I saved it correctly. Let's go again. Your desktop. I see it's not ordinary file. It's not a GPG or GIF file. So what I can do is take a screenshot of this picture. Okay. Right. You go. And now let's get back to page. Get back here. Let's upload it. What you can also do is remove background, but this background is already good. But to remove background from images, you can go to remove PG. Okay, here, let's upload the image. Go. Let's download it. Okay, let's go here. Custom downloads. Okay. Now we can open image new tab and copy image address. Now let's go here and exchange this image. As you can see, it gives a pretty nice look. It doesn't, and it takes a few seconds to find image and remove background, upload it, and so on. And I can show you another great feature. If you want to have the same element multiple times, like this bulletin point, this tick, you can just click on duplicate, and you can see it duplicates exactly the same element exactly as it is. And if you want to, let's say, add the exact same text, the exact same text font, and exact text font size and everything, just duplicate it. And let's just remove this text, for example. Remove it, just delete this here. Okay, let's move it over here and say yeah. Generous contributions. For example, I'm not really thinking about what I'm writing here, just writing top of my head. Okay, and don't forget, last time I covered it, how to create a list. You have to click over here. You have to use sendState, and you have to get a list ID and get the list you created, and that means that let's go back to how to get back to page, and rows. Yeah, rows. So that's it. Let's I just want to show you one more site. I know the video is getting long, but this is important. Textstudio.com. This is where I create my header. The most important part of your CC page is header. It has to catch attention. So let's see. I haven't been here for a while, so I don't know how to navigate the site. But you can see, you can just go down there and see all these beautiful images. And if something catches your eye and is free, you can use it. Let's say this this thing here, like I have just as simple as that. And you can go to background, you can make it transparent, and go back to text. You put quotation marks, or do the quotation marks separately from this. Let's say animation. You can select animation. Okay, it's not that good. Let's go down here. For example, let's just do this one. So you go to download, go to GIF, download. Okay, so let's go back to page. Let's click somewhere on the element. Let's add image right here. And so I download it. I have to upload it. And it was in $50. Like this. Okay, copy. And let's see. You can move them down a little bit, so let's move them down. Sorry about that. Delete it. Duplicate. Okay. Let's make room for our header. Okay. Alright. Now let's put image here. Oh, there's something wrong. I know sometimes when you click on transparent background, it goes black. So just click on white instead. So go to downloads, PNG. Okay, PNG please. Yeah. Sometimes when you click too fast, it gives you error. Okay. Now let's see. Okay. Laptop changes. Okay, and you can select animation. You know? So let's just check, for example, what's that? Oh, let's put that. You can repeat. You can select speed. Let's say fastest. Okay, repeat. And repeat twice. And start delay 0. Okay, let's save it. Save your work. And now you can click on. You have to go back to the page again. And this is your lead capture page URL. Just click on it. It will be. I'm sorry, but that's an old one. It's the same one. I have to activate it. Remember to activate as well. So it's active. So launch. Let's click on it. Sorry for that. Many tabs are open. As you can see, you can make an outstanding traffic exchange squeezy page, and just messing around in the editor, and you just come back once a week, at least once a week, and tweak something, add something new, experiment around, and then the editor is quite simple. You can add even video on the background, and do other stuff as well. I hope this helped you, and And yeah, and this is my page, my lead capture page I have created. This lead capture page I have created using LeadsLeap page editor. It's clean, it's beautiful, and it is very focused on traffic shade users, and it gives me good results, and I'm very happy about it. It took me many years to, you know, playing around with the editor to and adding images and everything to come up with this. Thank you, thank you very much for listening, and I hope you will make some amazing designs, very simple designs, and I hope you have much success. And tomorrow we're just gonna go through some simple steps you must take to make your page more successful. Thank you very much. Bye bye.